Currently all the shocks are out, getting a rebuild. The motor and box are out, the gearbox is getting a rebuild. Yeah, so there's a bit going on there. This Cobra is back in the shop, having final touches done before its cert recheck. And the car that this video is actually about is 98, which is chilling here. The tank is out. It's got the cracks and it's got a big bend in here. This is just a cover. There is a bladder inside this tank, so it can't leak fuel or anything, but we will straighten that up and fix that up. In the front end here, we've got a few cracks going on. There's a bit of a crack there. In this bulkhead here, we've got cracks that were, previous sort of existing bits and pieces. The front end here has been repaired a few times. So it's sort of cracked in the old locations where it had cracks. This back end, I'm yet to get this arm off because it's bent the bolt in here real bad. So I've cut it there and I've cut it here and I still can't get it out. I'm going to have to somehow drop a grinder in there and cut it. Everything else on this side is all apart. Obviously this side's already missing the arm. In the next couple of days I'm going to try to get all this stuff out, start measuring and then work out how far into this thing we're actually cutting, and then start bending some bars and stuff. Oi, get out of here. Yeah, Aaron spent the last 2 days cleaning 822. It's looking pretty mint now. Just getting the Scotch Brite out, tidying up the chromoly, and he's now going to wash all the panels and put it back together. Back. It's Friday, the 12th of December. What is the date? It's the 19th. Right, it's the 19th of December and it's finally happening. It's gonna go on the table and we'll see how flat or not flat it is. It's on the skates. Not very well.
Halfway off the ground. Isn't that really?
I anticipated it was about to be.
I don't know if I can do.
See a photo. Video.
Oh wow, a trailer! Oh wow, a trailer!
Mental happens in like 5 seconds.
Yeah, you're good. Yeah. That's pretty cool there.
tubes out of this and explaining why I was cutting tubes out of this. And I don't know why this camera does it, but all the footage I just filmed is in slow-mo. So what's going on is I've cut these tubes here, there, taking these ones off. These ones we took off over in Aussie. I've removed these bottom rails because the bottom rails were twisted when I've cut them. These bars here have actually popped back into place, so the bottom rails were putting a lot of pressure on them. These seem to be in the right spot. These are in the right height. Obviously they're twisted at the end, so I need to cut this off back here somewhere. All of these tubes that have been cut will get a sleeve insert inside, and a new tube slipped over the top of it and get welded in place. And I have left the front gearbox mounts, so when I get the motor and box back, I'll bolt them together. I'll set the motor and box in it, I'll get it centered up to the table so it's all square, and then I'll build this bottom and the back of the cage around it to make sure that we've got the right clearances and the right length, etc. Front seems square, it's center, all of these arm points, shock points, etc. are all in the right spot. However, we've got heaps of cracks in the front end. The front has just cracked like everywhere. We'll give it a go. I've been prepping this for, I don't know, an hour or so, maybe a couple of hours. But yeah, it's pretty clean. All the bits that are cracked and need a weld are sort of stripped down, so I've hit it with paint stripper and taken quite a lot of paint off it already, and then I've wire wheeled it also, and hit it with a grinder, so yeah, we'll see what it does. Like that, it is 9:30 at night, so that's me for today. That might be it for this segment, this bit. I have no idea how much footage I have, as per I'm really bad at filming, but there you have it. Thanks.